So what is a Japanese candlestick and how do you read them? Well, I'm sure you've seen them in various charts before, and some are green, some are red. Well, we're going to give you examples and show you exactly how to read these in today's video. All that I ask is you smash that like button and subscribe if you find value in it. So as you can see, some candles are green, showing indications that they are going up, and some candles are red, showing a clear indication of them going down. Now, green candles mean bullish, red candles mean bearish, and we are going to talk about them right now and give you guys an example. So as you can see here, there is a green candle showing the open and the close, the low and the high. Now, they also have a red candle showing the exact same thing. Now, when a candle starts a new one, okay, so let's say this is the 1 minute time frame, 1 minute. So this candle indicates 1 minute of time. This is 1 minute of time. So when it opened at this really thick level here, okay, and it closed at this level here. Now, what are these little green sticks on the end? Well, these indicate the range that they played in 1 single minute. So it opened here, but it came as low as here. Okay, and we're going to give a real example on some real charts. It closed at this level, but it went up as high as here before it closed. Okay, so when it closes, it jumped over to this area, and this is where it opened. Now, where it closes and opens is important for identifying the next position of where that candle is going to be. So as you can see here, obviously, right, as this is an example, this little tiny green candle that we're identifying had a open at, say, that 493, or I'm sorry, an open at 490 and a close at 493. Now its range was 489 to 496. And when it closed, okay, that's a 4 hour, then it opened here, went up a little bit to 497 from where it opened at 493, and then sold off, indicating that it went all the way down to 399. You see this little tiny red line here, and it closed at 418. Now this is a 4-hour candle chart, 4-hour chart, meaning that each candle represents 4 hours of time. Now let's go to a 1 minute chart. Now this 1 minute chart is exactly what it says. Each candle is 1 minute. As you can see here, it had a really strong level at 475 to where it would open and close at exactly the same point. Now it got into some ranges and lows of 475, but closed at these levels. As you can see here as well, it closed up in this area, opened for a new candle, and then sold off. It closed at this level and opened here, where it opened and closed in the exact same time period. There was no range on that candle. Whereas here, the range was the open and close. There was no additional range levels on either end of this candle. Now we can get into a lot of other different examples of candlesticks, patterns, and time frames, which will be in the next video. I hope this was educational. You found some value in it. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out our first link in the description below. It'll give you access to our Investing for Beginners community, trading tools, blog, and home screen, where we have simple solutions and strategies to help you grow your account and learn how to trade as a new investor, such as most recent earnings releases, real-time economic calendars, advanced real-time charts, and some other helpful images like 3 stages of reversal, 3 stages of position size. I'll also be adding the risk and reward chart. That way you can identify your success rate when placing these trades. I also have a video talking about watch lists, creating effective watch lists, and creating effective alerts for those watch lists. So those are all great videos to watch as a beginner trader. Definitely do so after this video. Thank you for watching, and you guys all have a fantastic day.